Navanath Bhakti Sagar, Chapter 10, Gorakshnath and Ghaninath. Fruitation. The recitation of this chapter will help the female get rid of all the health problems. Children will survive. The mind will get rid of all duplicates. Machendra taught Goraksha Brahma Vidya along with all the weapons and various other vidyas he possessed. He also taught him all mantras along with the Sanjeevani mantra. Goraksha memorized and exercised all the mantras. Once in a village, an unusual event occurred. Machendranath had gone to solicate alms himself. A few children from the village were playing in the corner. Goraksha was also 12 to 14 years old and kept watching them play. The children came to him and asked him to make a clay bullock cart. He prepared clay bulls and a clay cart. Now they wanted him to make a cart driver from clay. Goraksha prepared a small human-shaped figure. At the same time, just for revision purpose, he was chanting the Sanjeevani mantra. It resulted in the small clay cart driver coming to life, and a real child was created and started crying. The children got scared and started to run around shouting, "Ghost, ghost." On their way, Machendra met them. He reassured the children and took them back to the place. The kid showed him the clay cart from a distance and told him how the clay cart driver got life. They also told him that a 12 to 14-year-old yogi had done all this. Machendra instantly understood that the children were talking about Goraksha. This was the consequence of the Sanjeevani mantra. But Goraksha was not to be seen anywhere. Even he had ran away somewhere out of fear. Nath, with his clairvoyance, identified that he was Karbhajan Rishi, who had taken birth from that clay. He moved close, lifted the child, and wiped his tears. Machendra, along with the child, went searching for Goraksha. He went to every house asking for Goraksha. The females got scared and the males associated him. Machendra answered, "A boy named Goraksha is my disciple. Let me first find him. Then I will unrelieve the mystery." Listening to Machendra's call, Goraksha came out of the place he was hiding. But as he saw the kid with Nath, he tried to run again. Machendra caught hold of him and then kept the kid on a cloth. He assured him and tried understanding the truth behind the incident. Karbhajan Rishi has incarnated from that clay figure. Let's nourish the child and will name him Ghani. Nath told Goraksha. He took them along and went to the place where they were residing. He had decided to take motherly care of that kid, but destiny had different plans. The villagers found the yoga power of Machendra and Goraksha worth of veneration, but were not sure of their ability to nourish the child. In the village lived a Brahmin named Madhu and his wife Gangubai, who was a very loving person. They were barren couple. The villagers advised Machendra to hand over the kid to the Brahmin couple to ensure proper upbringing. Machendra did as advised and told that lady. A rishi named Karbhajan has incarnated with the inherence of Vaishnavi. His greatness is Ghana, meaning profound, and so I have named him Ghani. Nourish him, and after 12 years Goraksha will come here and initiate him into the world of yoga. Ghani will be acknowledged as your child, but send him with Goraksha for the beneficiation of the world. When he will come and take him? The lady said, "You are a yogi. How are you so affectionate? Give me the child as my own." Machendra said, "Done, but don't forget he will go along with Goraksha after 12 years. He handed over the kid to Madhu and Gangubai in front of everyone. Machendra stayed there along with Goraksha for a few more days, and later they went to Badrika ashram in the north. He wanted to keep Goraksha at Badrikavanam for sadhana. Here we come to end of chapter 10 of Navnath Bhakti Sagar.